Hello dear students, myself Professor Meshramkar Sunetra from Department of English, J.A.T, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Today we are going to study idioms. An idiom is a commonly used expression whose meaning does not relate to the literal meaning of its words. It is formally defined as a group of words established by usage as having a meaning not deducible from those of the individual words. Many times we say that he is a good Samaritan for the poor. Now, here, a good Samaritan is a person who helps someone in need with no thought of a reward. So, dear students, an idiom is an expression, a word, or phrase that has a figurative meaning conventionally understood by the native speakers. This meaning is different from the literal meaning of the idiom's individual elements. In other words, we can say that idioms don't mean exactly what the words say. It means they have hidden meaning. Let's see the origin of idioms. Most idioms come from ancient literature or even classic films. Many idioms originated as quotations from well-known writers such as Shakespeare. And learning the backgrounds of idiom can help you to remember them. The use of idioms is really very much enjoyable, entertaining. It is a quite fun and games. Idioms can be quite fun and useful when we use them in writing. They are a good use of imagery when trying to describe attitudes, behaviors, and when we are trying to draw the attention of readers to a point which we feel is important in our work, we can use these idioms. Now, why do we need idioms? Now, no one really knows why they exist or where are they all began. But every culture seems to have their own idioms or expressions. And our English language has many idioms. Dear students, it is important to note that idioms should be used in proper situations. No doubt, they enrich our speech, they increase our vocabulary. But it is necessary that idioms must be understood by the listener. The grammar and the vocabulary of the idioms are fixed, and if we change them, we lose the meaning of the idiom. Now just see this example. You see that in this picture, a lady is shown. Miss Marendino is absent today because she is under the weather. Now, under the weather is an idiom. Under the weather means feeling sick. So, here, under the weather, it's an idiom. Now, many times it is said that it's raining cats and dogs. It is very common idiom, and it's raining cats and dogs means heavy rain. Now, here, when pigs fly. Now, can you imagine pigs are flying? No. Now, it is something that will never happen. And when we say or when we want to tell about something which will never happen, we can use this idiom, when pigs fly. Another idiom, let the cat out of the bag, means reveal a secret. Now here, jump at your own shadow, means to be overly frightened. Or jump off the page, means something that stands out. Now here we see a couple, and the first picture, it is shown they are on the rock, and here in the second one, lovey-dovey. Now in the first one, on the rock, means the relationship has some tension, it has some problems. Whereas in the second picture, when we say it's lovey-dovey, means they are making an excessive display of affection. There are different types of idioms, body idioms. When someone says flesh and blood, means relative. Or turn a blind eye. Turn a blind eye means to ignore something that you know it is wrong. Or someone says to jump down someone's throat. It means to react angrily to something that someone says or does. A slip of the tongue. It is very common idiom. A slip of the tongue means when you say something which you did not mean to say. Head over heels means deeply in love. So these are body idioms. There are some food idioms also. Souped up. Souped up means made more powerful or stylish. Or sell like hotcakes means bought by many people. Another common idiom is spill the beans, means reveal the truth. Then take something with a pinch. Pinch of grain or pinch of salt means don't consider something 100% true or accurate. Many times it is said that use your noodle. Use your noodle means use your brain. Now here, this idiom says, I have a skeleton in the closet. I have a skeleton in the closet. If we see the literal meaning, it doesn't mean that there is really a skeleton of a dead person in closet, but it means I know a secret that would cause embarrassment. Or in this second figure, you can say that you have got egg on your face. Now its literal meaning means this lady is having egg on her face. No. Here this idiomatic meaning is you look foolish or you look embarrassed. Now many times we say all in the same boat. All in the same boat means everyone is facing the same challenge. Taste of your medicine. A taste of your own medicine means you are mistreated the same way you mistreat others. As many times we say tit for tat. Catch red-handed. This is very common idiom. To catch someone in the act of doing something wrong means catch red-handed. Mum's the word. Mum's the word means to say nothing but to keep quiet. Now, apple of my eye. Apple of my eye means someone who is the favorite among all others. It's a small world. It's a small world means you frequently see the same people in different places. Go the extra mile. It means going all the way to get it done. Now it is another common idiom, a blessing in disguise. It means something good that is not recognized at first. Now here are some more idioms. A house of cards. A house of cards means a poor plan. Or black and blue means full of breezes. Be on cloud nine means be very happy. A bone of contention, an issue of continuous disagreement means bone of contention. Once in a blue moon. Many times when something happens very rarely, we say, oh, once in a blue moon. Beating around the bush means avoiding the main topic. Chip on your shoulder. When someone is upset about something that happened a while ago, this idiom is used. Then, cry over spilled milk means complaining about a loss or failure. So, thank you, dear students. Today we have seen idioms.